Yep.
Dennis Hall is an outstanding salesman. Not only does he teach sales process, he teaches it with passion. And this is a guy that has lived in this space. He's done it. And doing it is a lot better than someone that talks about what they do and they can teach you and all. No, you want somebody that is the real deal. And that is Dennis Hall. He's got a funky accent. It's Australian, but he can't help it. That's where he comes from. Okay, this is the correct English. He's learned something else. But training people in sales is universal. I learned from him and I thought I knew a lot. There's nothing like the guy that's been in the trenches, has lived it, has taught it, and has proof of the success of other people using his systems and techniques. He's laid out a step-by-step, easy to follow system, step-by-step to get you to success. Do you want to follow somebody that talks about success, or someone that has actually lived it, walked it, breathed it, and has taught others? That's the true testament to someone being successful, is someone that has lived it and has trained others, and they have lived it through the success of their mentor. He is the mentor's mentor. I have learned from him. You can too. Implement, purchase anything he's got, and you will find that you can follow along the yellow brick road to success. Remember that from The Wizard of Oz? The Wizard of Dennis Hall is the man. Get it.